evening, ma'am. Myself Deepak Sai Kumar, and my project name is Movie Review Analysis using Classification and Clustering Technique. And I prepared a project report on this movie review analysis and using classification. And I used three algorithms: Navi-based classification, K-means clustering algorithm, and a priori algorithm. And I done a literature survey on so many points. Some of the points I explained below. They are designing approach for accuracy in movie reviews using sentiment analysis 2017, a comparison study of clustering models for online review sentiment analysis, a novel approach for sentiment analysis using classifier Navi based SVM modified K-means 2016, an improved sentiment analysis of online movie reviews based on clustering for box office prediction 2015, and also a sentiment analysis of movie reviews using machine and learning techniques 2016, a data mining technique for analyzing and predicting the success of movie 2018, sentiment analysis on movie review, a comparative study of machine learning algorithms and open source technology 2016, and also a sentimental analysis on movie reviews 2015, and mining movie reviews using machine learning techniques, sentiment analysis of movie reviews using machine learning algorithm, a reliable baseline for sentiment analysis in source limited languages, the Serbian movie review dataset, and also the topic based approach of sentiment analysis on Twitter data, an ensemble approach to stabilize the future of multi-domain. And there are so many futures which we can recognize the movie review based on these approaches, and there are so many algorithms to find out the easy review for better or best or worst movies. And these are the continuation of my literature survey, and also I researched on papers, and the few papers explained below. Design approach for accuracy in movie reviews using sentiment analysis. Name of the technique I used are SVM algorithm, Navi based algorithm, Times of India, movie review dataset, and performance measures are accuracy, recall, precision, do not give much precision. And scope of my work future are apply the concept of more detail for the better prediction of the polarity results, and also a comparison study of clustering models for online review sentiment analysis, and the technique used in this process are different clustering algorithms. Dataset used is benchmark a dataset, and the performance of this dataset is average accuracy. A novel a approach for sentiment analysis using classifiers, Navi-based SVM model K-means, and mobile datasets are used. Performance it's given is accuracy, and dataset description and sample data. In our system, we are using dataset that consists of information of previous movie details along with their hit and flop data, which is treated as a class label attribute. Our dataset consists of attributes like title, genre, description, director, actors, year, runtime, votes, and revenue, along with class label attribute that consist of two value hits and flops. And I proposed some algorithm with flowchart is explained below. In our project, we are going to explain Navi-based algorithm. That Navi-based classifiers are a collection of classification algorithm based on Bayes theorem. It's not a single algorithm but a family of algorithms where all of them share a common principle. Every pair of features being classified in independent of each other. We are using this algorithm to predict the outcome of movie. That may be success or failure. It depends on the survey based survey. The algorithm I used classification is to derive maximum posterior PCI of x is equal to P of x by Ci into P of Ci by P of x. This can be derived on Bayes theorem. P of Ci into x is equal to P of x by Ci into P of Ci. And next, diagram of process which they can easily easily detect the process collection of data first, and the collected data should be processed into perfect format. The perfect data format have 9 attributes and 78 rows. 78 rows with Navis based classification, clustering, and then results. Experiment results. The result of this project is shown by all three algorithms as the two supervised algorithms presented us with result that they equipped when a data set is passed as an input to the algorithms, and both the a priori and Navi based algorithms predict the story of results. The unsupervised learning gave us the clusters of the movie that would be similar based on the director and actor when done on a produced budget. Conclusion and the future work is the final conclusion of the project leads to result of shown by all three algorithms as the two supervised algorithms presented us with result that they equipped when dataset is passed as an input to algorithms, and both the a priori and Navi based algorithms predicted their sorts of results. The unsupervised learning based K-means algorithm gave us the best clusters of the movie that would be the similar based on the director and the actor when they produced budget. So we would like to conclude that the project with result produced by the taken algorithms. I referred so many books and papers. So my best references I presented in that PPTR. I explained briefly about each and every literature survey point in final review PDF. Nearly 30 points I explained in literature survey. And I researched about 30 papers. I explained 30 papers in a detailed table. Some data sets we have to follow for the best result. Proposed algorithms and flowcharts, etc. And experiment results I mentioned in PDF. A priori algorithm using in R and Navy base using R code. Conclusion future work references. That's it. Thank you.